This application requires 2 full strips. While sitting, prepare your first strip of KT tape with a twist and tear of the paper backing 2 inches from one end. With your elbow flexed and palm facing your shoulder, place your anchor with no stretch over your forearm approximately 4 inches below your elbow, just to the inside of the bony ridge, directing the strip up towards your elbow. Apply a light stretch, directing the strip over the inner portion of your elbow and on the back of your upper arm. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Next, bend your arm across your body. Take your second strip and apply your anchor just outside your first anchor, directing the strip towards your elbow. Apply a light stretch, directing the strip over the outer portion of your elbow and onto the back of your upper arm. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Finish with a gentle rub to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.